Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Civic key fob battery. It's an easy method that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery, which for most Honda key fobs is a CR2032 3-volt coin battery. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver, or you can simply use the emergency metal key that comes with your fob. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small button on the side or back of your fob and slide it to release the emergency metal key. Pull this key out. Next, find the small notch or slot on the key fob casing. Insert the tip of your emergency metal key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the tool to carefully pry apart the two halves of the fob, separating them cleanly. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Using your small screwdriver or fingernail, carefully pry out the old CR2032 3-volt battery. Now, insert the new battery into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Slide the emergency metal key back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, stand near your vehicle and test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your Honda Civic key fob battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.